If you are a photographer, then you must need these apps on your phone. These apps will help you in finding new photo ideas and also in shooting and then editing your photos. As content creators, we all face creativity blocks, and if you need some inspiration, then you can use Pinterest to find some ideas or to get some inspiration. For example, if you want to take some good photos of a vehicle, then you can search for automotive photography on Pinterest and a lot of pictures will pop up. And from these images you can get some inspiration, and you can even save these pictures so that you can refer to them at a later stage. If you are a mobile photographer, or if you take a lot of photos with your smartphone, and if your smartphone lacks a good inbuilt camera app, then you can use apps such as Lightroom Mobile to take photos. By using this app, you can have more control over your smartphone camera, and this app also lets you to shoot in manual mode. And if you don't know how to use manual mode, then you can learn it by watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you are using your DSLR camera to take pictures, and if you want to control your camera remotely, then you can use apps such as Canon Camera Connect. By using this app, you can take pictures remotely, and it will be quite useful when you are shooting at a very slow shutter speed, or if you want to take your own picture all by yourself. This app also lets you to transfer files on your camera to your phone. And please note, this app works with Canon cameras only. And this type of apps are also available for Sony and Nikon cameras also. After taking the photo that you wanted to shoot, and if you want to edit it so that it looks more better, then you can do it in the Lightroom mobile app itself, or you can use Snapseed to edit your photo. On Lightroom Mobile, some features like masking and healing is not available in the free version of the app, but it is available in the paid version. So to make such edits, you can use Snapseed and then come back to Lightroom to finish your editing. Or you can edit the whole image in the Snapseed itself. And if you are aware of apps that can help us, then mention the name of those apps in comments. And if you like this video, then make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel.